Hello everyone and welcome to Sparkle English. Today's mini lesson is on the difference between advice and advise. It is very common for English language learners and even native English speakers to get confused on when to write advice and when to write advise. However, it's actually quite simple. Advice is a noun. Advice is an opinion or suggestion about what someone should do. You can give or receive advice. Here's a tip on pronunciation. Advice rhymes with rice or mice. Advise is a verb. To advise is to give an opinion or a suggestion to someone about what that person should do. Advise rhymes with eyes or size. Remember that to give advice means to advise. Example: the teacher gave advice to the student. Or, the teacher advised the student. Both of these sentences mean the same thing. Let's look at some more examples using advice. Sarah gives great advice. You never follow my advice. I have a problem and I need some advice. Now let's look at some more examples using advise. My doctor advised me to lose weight. What should I do? Please advise me. I advise you not to call your ex-boyfriend. Now it's your turn to practice. Your homework is to write one sentence using advice and one sentence using advise. Write your sentences in the comment section of this video. I hope you enjoyed this mini lesson on the difference between advice and advise. Make sure to subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English. Thanks for watching.